Hello guys, and welcome to the very depressing video 5 of my Zaccaria ski jump restoration. Massive backtrack, unfortunately. It's got to the point where I was thinking about throwing in the towel, because it's not going well. That is pretty much the permanent place for the ball now. It doesn't even attempt to make it onto the table because I'm getting nothing now. My table is now a glorified beer holder. A few days ago, the tilt got stuck on and I couldn't do anything. Now, obviously, all the tilt has been cut there, so I was told it might be something to do with the lock coil, and everything looks okay on that. So I've been going around checking fuses, checking wire, make sure I haven't got any bare wire on there or any cold solder, checking the switches, cleaning contacts. And, well, that's been my last couple of days. It's been a very slow process. And now, the game's actually even worse than it was. Because I throw it on the juice. I'm getting no power to the back box. And I've checked the fuses. I've gone through, checked all those fuses, checked the ones up here, and they're all good. But whatever I've done, and I apologise for the very loud noise you're going to hear now. If I throw on the power, whenever I throw on the power, the knocker obviously gets stuck on for some reason, and I'm getting no juice in the back box. No lights, no nothing. I honestly don't know, guys. I still think I might throw in the towel on this one because I think this is a bit beyond my ability, unfortunately. I don't want to admit defeat. I've had lots of good advice from the guys on the pinball forum, and they keep on saying refer back to this, the trusty original ski jump manual. Unfortunately, I drive a 1967 Morris Minor, and if I can't fix something with a half AF spanner and a hammer, I can't really do it. This is hieroglyphics to me. I need to learn out how this is laid out, how it sort of transposes over onto this. I mean, where is this on this diagram? Where is this on this diagram? I found the back box bit because I used that to fix the back box, because that was all working. The scores were working fine. It started to register things on the playfield, so that was good. But yeah, nothing now, guys, unfortunately. Absolutely diddly squat. So, video 5, bit of a bummer. Massive backstep. Not entirely sure where to go from here. Apart from possibly spend half an hour playing on my fruit machines. See, that mechanical I can do. It's gears and springs. Gears and springs, I kind of know. And I fixed both of those. Both those were not working. Got those running. Why can't I get you running? Answers on a postcard, guys. What have I done wrong? And what do we do next? Speak to you soon.